Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Realme phone. So I have Realme 12X 5G in my hand, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Realme phone. Okay, to do factory reset, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings scroll down, and here you can see additional settings. Go to additional settings and now scroll down to the bottom. So here you can see backup and reset. Go to backup and reset, and here you can see reset phone. Here you can see reset phone. Now tap on reset phone. So guys, you can see reset network and Bluetooth settings, reset all settings, erase SMS and MMS messages stored on this phone, and erase all data. Reset to factory settings. Now simply tap on erase all setting, erase all data, and guys, you can see this will clear all data on this device. Now simply tap on erase data, and you can see, are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Now simply tap on erase data. Now it will restart. Kindly wait. So you can see wiping, please wait, and wipe is completed. Now it will again restart. And guys, after factory reset it might take some time to boot up the device. So after factory reset, when it will successfully boot up, just set up your phone and start using it. So guys, this is the method to factory reset Realme phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.